Hey there, welcome back to another video. It is me, your girl Brianamccalip, and you're tuning into another hair video. And this one is featuring UNice. It's a sponsor video. When I say they didn't come to disappoint, they didn't. The packaging down from the robe that I have on, y'all, eats. Okay, I feel good, like I'm about to go to bed because that's what I'm about to do. But y'all, without further ado, I just want y'all to get into this hairstyle and the way it is styled. It's this new viral hairstyle that's been going around with it looking like this. But this isn't a frontal, like a full frontal, so I wasn't able to like put the braids like from ear tab to ear tab. It had to be like this, which is why it's sitting on top. Anyways, it's still cute. I really like how the part is looking, how the lace is looking. I just did my thing when I laid this down. If y'all want to know how to lay y'all hair down just like this, then keep on watching. Hey dolls, welcome back to another video. It is me, girl Brianamccalip, and you're tuning into a hair tutorial, and of course it's by UNice. I haven't worked with them in a long time, but let's get right into the box. First of all, let's shout out to UNice for sending over a robe included with the hair. So inside the box, we get 2 wig caps, a elastic band to melt that lace down, and also we get some nails. I didn't put the press-ons on, but this is the wig, y'all. This is a 7x5 by knots water wave wig and 26 inches, and in density is 180% HD lace frontal. Y'all, let's put this wig on. Let's get into the meltdown that my mama did, the mold. Do y'all see that? Anyways, they sent over these caps, and I want to go ahead and use the caps that they sent. I kind of like these, but not really, because they tear like stockings, and that's what it's supposed to give, like a stocking cap material, but these are super thin, so of course it's going to do that. But anyways, look at the melt of the cap. I already did my thing when I melted this down. I went ahead and put some Got2b glue on it, let it dry. I did use my blow dryer to melt this down, and then after that I went ahead and cut it. Now one of my tabs was like coming up, and I'm like, dang, no, it was really good. The melt was like really good, but like look at that, like seamless. Now I'm going to also try the method where I put the actual glue on and then see how that works. Maybe it won't lift up, but this is also the Got2b glue. I just put it on a comb and then just laid down the stocking cap edges that were rolling up. I used my shade of foundation to melt this bald cap into my skin to make it look like I'm actually bald. Y'all already know how it goes, and if y'all don't, get into it. Now I want to go ahead and take this lace tinting spray in medium brown. This is by the brand Red by Kiss. I was gonna say Ruby Kisses, but as y'all can see, it was the perfect match for me, and I went ahead and showed y'all how it looks without it glued down. And then now I'm about to roll it back and then go ahead and take my Erica J watermelon glue and lay this down. I got the biggest glue ever, y'all. It lasts a very long time. So I did put 2 coats on, and they was like really thick. Your wig is going to last forever if you put 2 coats on and thick like that. It's not going nowhere. Nobody can snatch it off. Baby, it's going to be on for however long you want it to be on. Now go ahead and take the tip of the lace and put it right on top of the glue, where the glue begins in front of your head, if that makes sense. Also, wait till the glue dries before you put it on, and the lace is already pre-cut, so you don't even have to worry about none of that. Look how I'm pulling it, and look how it melted into the skin. It was already in the middle part, so I couldn't really like change it if I wanted to, because it already had a part in the middle. I did go ahead and let that band sit for a second after I melted it down. That is also the UNice band, and then my mom's gonna come in and style it. So I wanted this style that I've been seeing. I went on TikTok, of course, and was like, let's see what styles that we could do, and I've seen this style frequently going viral a lot, and I want to try it. Now this is a 7x5, and y'all already know that when doing these looks the way that she's about to do it, I'll probably post a picture, and if not, then y'all gonna see the look. A lot of people have frontals when doing it. This is a 7x5 like frontal. I'm gonna say like closure. I'm gonna say closure because I never worked with a 7x5, but it's actually really nice. So she went ahead and took out the baby hair, and I wanted a widow's peak, so that's why I had her curve the baby hairs like that, because I wanted it to stand out right there. And then she went ahead and each section of the ponytail she hot combed so that it can lay really flat. After that, she rubber banded down, and now she's doing this braid, because with this braid she's going to go ahead and separate each braided section to make this butterfly braid, if that makes sense. And then we're going to go ahead and flip it over. But go ahead and do your braid, and then start pulling the braid apart to make this butterfly effect. Before doing the other side, like anything else, you're going to go ahead and do the side that you didn't do. So upon putting it into a ponytail, she's going to go ahead and section each section of the hair, spray down with some Gatsby glue, and she's going to go ahead and hot comb it. Now you can either use Gatsby glue or whatever product that you want to use. A good one will be a wax stick. Like, that's going to get the hair slick down, okay? And I was like, dang, we should use a wax stick, but we didn't. But if you want to try this style, use a wax stick instead of Gatsby glue. So the same thing she did on one side, she's doing to the other. She's going to separate the braid to make this butterfly effect, y'all. And then we're going to go ahead, and I wanted to put some concealer in my part because I wanted to be more prominent, and I wanted to be more defined, if that makes sense. But she's just basically checking to see how she wanted the style. And y'all, I put the concealer in there. It was the perfect concealer. Like, this is what I use under my eyes, but I mixed both of them together to get that perfect. Oh, it was just good. Like, don't worry, y'all. I'm telling you, if y'all go ahead and look at the wigs that I used to do back in the day, like back when I first started, y'all be like, nothing. It's nothing compared to how I do them now. Like, it's way better. After she styled it, I really didn't want that style because I was like, it's not looking right. So she did the baby hairs, and she cut more off because they were too long. I like my baby hairs a certain way, and I want to try more. So when I do these wigs, it's like a trial and error with designs, and we try them, and if they come out cute, like most of the time they do, that's how we do it. But yeah, she finished the baby hairs, and she actually changed the butterfly style, and she just put it on each side instead of like circling it around. Now she's gonna go ahead and get some water in a water bottle, and she's gonna spray it down. I didn't like the water on my neck, y'all. That's why I had to get a towel. And she's gonna spray it down, and once she sprays all of it down, we had a diffuser, like the little circle thing where you put the curls in, but it didn't fit on her blow dryer, so we're gonna go ahead and just blow dry it like that. And look how beautiful these curls are. If y'all haven't checked out UNice hair, go ahead and check them out in the description right below. But y'all, we snapped on this, and so then I'm gonna see y'all on the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you so much UNice for sending this over to me. I really appreciate it. I slayed. Y'all can't tell me otherwise. If y'all want links to this wig, it will be in the description bar below. Also the links to their website, go ahead and check it out. They're very affordable, and let me know if y'all want more styles like this. Like if you want us to try different styles, maybe a basket on the head, maybe a French roll. And if y'all want a tutorial, I'm about to have my mama get up on it. Let me know, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one.